you'll notice as I go through this, I tend to speak pretty quickly. You can always go back and rewind and re-listen, or raise your hand and ask me if you don't understand something I say. I try to do that though to maximize your time so we can get through it and move on. And then you can rewatch again as many times as you need to prepare for mastery checks or tests or what have you. All right, so we're still in lesson 1-1, but we're going to start video 2. So in your notes, you should be looking for the banner, and it says begin lesson 1-1, video 2. So this is still material that's going to be on the exact same mastery check, which is just our word for quiz, but it's kind of a different idea that we're going to cover in a separate video. So one thing you can do with function notation is you can take information from it and write ordered pairs in function notation, or you can write something that's already been in function notation as an ordered pair. So to write this as an ordered pair, remember that I told you that when you're looking at function notation, you've got this f of x, where this whole f of x sort of serves as your y, and you've still got this on your paper in that little image I showed you in the previous video. And your x there is still your x. So remember, in an ordered pair, this is your x value and this is your y value. So if I were going to write this in function notation, I would write f of 9 equals -7. Because I'm replacing that x with 9, I'm saying that this whole f of whatever is equal to the y value, or is equal to -7. Okay, so whatever is in the parentheses, that is not saying h is being multiplied by 3, that's saying h of 3. So 3 is your x, 12 is your y. So there's my ordered pair if I were going to put it as an ordered pair. Okay, if you're trying to take an ordered pair and write it as function notation, your x goes in the parentheses, your y is what the f of x equals, so that's on the other side of the equal sign. If you're writing it as an ordered pair, if it's already in function notation and you're writing it as an ordered pair, then your x is the first one, that's in parentheses. Your y is what this whole thing is equal to. All right, now it's time for you to try some. If you need to see those examples again, go back and watch it again. Otherwise, try these and then go check your answers.